Do it again.
Yeah, it's like a chicken curry recipe. Yeah. Yeah. But Indian chicken, some kind of Indian chicken recipe. The cat is under the my car. Well, now she's sneaking under the car. I've never seen it. I mean,
Leela. Leela. Bob, get out of there.
she's like stalking the cat.
Go get the cat.
She sure is.
Let's go get Kitty.
And that's all instinctive, yeah. She actually...
Oh.
No, but she was walking real quiet. You know, like you sneak up on something. She was stopped, and then she slowed, like stealthily.
She's trying to get the other cat now.
She's lost control. She's out of control now.